It's nothing too crazy,
okay.
Nothing physical, nothing anything. This curb right here is my curb. If anything goes wrong with this curb, I pay for it. Everybody got a med kit? I got one.
On the 30th of May 2025, Marysville police officers were dispatched to a home on White Oak Court in Ohio following reports of a domestic dispute. When officers arrived, they encountered a 29-year-old man inside a vehicle. What began as a routine call quickly escalated into a violent confrontation when the suspect opened fire on officers and fled the scene.
Do you guys have a warrant to be on my property?
We're investigating a complaint.
Well, I do.
Somebody called and said there was a dispute going on over here, so that's why we're here to investigate.
I'm trying to leave, and she won't let me leave because she got me locked in.
That's what we're here to figure out.
Okay, I have nothing to say.
Okay. Stay out of your car.
Okay, can I turn it off?
Yeah, that's fine.
Been helping me try to get my truck out, and he's gonna let me come stay at his house. I just want my truck out of the way so she can't block me in. We're having a little argument. It's nothing too crazy, Nothing physical, nothing anything.
All right.
It's about some mental health stuff that's going on.
As long as there's nothing physical going on, people are allowed to argue. So as long as that's all it is,
nothing physical is going on. She said she was gonna leave, and I told her no, I'm gonna leave. But now she won't move her car. So my buddy just died 2 weeks ago. That's his car. I'm trying to pull me out sideways right here. I was actually going to go, my neighbor's real cool with me right here, and I was going to pull my truck sideways so I can drive out that way, so I can park at his house.
Okay.
I'm literally not doing anything. I'm not drinking. I'm not on no drugs. I'm not on no nothing. No. For what? You guys haven't. What did I do?
So you was already instructed before not to get back in the vehicle, right?
She told me I can move it out to
I said have your neighbor do it.
Have your neighbor.
I haven't even left my property, ma'am. I am not drunk. You can have blood test me or whatever.
Okay, we could do that. So come on out so we can get that done.
No, bring it over here. Blood test me.
We can't blood test you
here.
No, I haven't even left my property.
Okay, well.
Are you guys married? Your wife and
yes,
you?
We're married.
Your wife? Okay.
I have not left my property. I moved it up here so he can move it. I haven't even left my property.
Well, technically you have.
This curb right here is my curb. If anything goes wrong with this curb, I pay for it.
No, you don't.
Okay.
What did she say?
Hold on one second. Keep that on.
Okay.
This is my... What are you talking about? Like, you guys came here for a dispute, now you're trying to fish for something else.
No.
You're not fishing for anything else.
We told you not to drive.
We told you not to drive.
I'm not driving. I moved it forward in my grass so he can drive it. I'm not driving. I'm not under the influence.
You're operating the vehicle.
No, I'm not. I'm not under any influence. That's not why you guys came here.
No, that's not why we came here, but under investigation, right?
No, that's not how an investigation works.
That's exactly how investigation works.
I'm calling my lawyer right now.
So... here's the deal. Either you get out of the vehicle or we're going to have to extract you out of the vehicle.
For what? I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. So I expect you to be either under the influence of alcohol or drugs.
I'm not under alcohol or drugs.
Okay. Or both.
You guys don't have any increase in my vehicle.
Okay.
Speeds are 40 going on to Westmount.
Stop moving! Stop moving, brother! Roll on your stomach! Roll on your stomach! Guns here! Roll on your stomach! Roll on your stomach! Keep rolling! Keep rolling!
Got it.
Everybody got a med kit? I got one. Roll over on your back. Did you shoot yourself? You did? On the arm there too. Where at? Is it? Oh, I got light here.
Yeah, right here.
Here. You shot yourself?
After a pursuit, the suspect exited his disabled vehicle armed with a firearm and was shot by a deputy. He was transported to the hospital and later charged with attempted aggravated murder. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen.